Good morning, and today I'm in Staveley, which is just outside Kendal, and I've got a traditional farmhouse to soft wash. So I'll show you what we're looking like. So this side isn't too bad, so it's a painted render. Just a look around here. So this gable end round here, there's a lot of moss on here. You can see there's a lot of moss. So once treated, this will basically go white. So I'll remove a lot of it, but there might be some remaining. Quite a lot of algae up there. And then get down this side. Again, quite heavily stained. Quite a lot of algae here. And this gable here, so again, paint's not particularly great order here, but once it's treated it will clean up, but they'll have to paint this again. I'll do this wall here. You can't really tell that at the moment with the sunlight. And at the top. So it's a cracking day. So just filling up my water tank. Pressure's a bit low, so it's taking a little while. But, right, let's see how we get on with this one. I was asked on one of my recent videos what products I use. Well, we use Pure Seal products, and these are only available to professional exterior cleaners, so they can't be purchased by individual homeowners. But I've got an affiliate link where you can get free postage on any product bought through Pure Seal products, so you'll find that in the description. Staveley, and I'll show you what it looked like. So this was the first wall. This was quite discoloured. That's all cleared now. And did the garage. And then this wall, this has got some moss on it still, so there's still some dead moss on here, but that would just clear. And this wall most probably needs painting again. And then at the top, that, and I'll show the gable end, and then the gable end. So this is the gable end that was really bad. Again, there's a bit of missing paint in the middle. Brightened it up. So this is dead moss here, so this will come off. You can see the dead moss down there. And then again there's dead moss on here. But what I've done is put initial treatment on, and then I've left a biocide on this wall. That moss should clear. I'll show you the front. The front wasn't too bad, but it's really brightened it up. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.